Okay, guys, we're back for another number talk today. So let's take a look. This one is going to be a little bit different from what we've done in the past, but that's all right. Just hang with me and let's work on them. So this says 5 on top, 5 on bottom. How many is that all together? So all together, 5 and 5 is 10. We know that from our doubles. And when it says on top and on bottom, you can think about two groups of 10 frames, two 10 frames. So think about that. There's 5 and a 10 frame at the top and 5 and a 10 frame at the bottom. So 5 and 5 would fill up one 10 frame. So 5 and 5 is 10. Let's go to our next page. 5 on top, 7 on bottom. Well, if I already knew that 5 and 5 was going to be 10, okay, and then I just added 2 more to the bottom, 10, and then 2 more would be 12. I could also think about 5 and 7, and I could take 1 from that 7 and pull it up with the 5. Then I have 6 and 6. And we know from our doubles earlier this year that 6 and 6 is 12. It does not matter how you get to the answer for number talks. It just matters that we all get to the same answer. All right, let's check out another one here. 5 on top and 9 on bottom. Take a second to think. So that's going to be 14. The way that I knew that was because 9 is almost 10. So I thought 10 and 5 make 15, right? So then if I just take 1 out of that, I would have 14. And I have to take 1 out because 9 is not quite 10 yet. You could also think about it as 5 plus 4 is 9. So you could think 5 and 5 is 10, and then I still have 4 left over from the 9, and 10 and 4 is 14. You can think about it however helps you. You might have a different strategy that you like. That's fine. For number talks, it doesn't matter how we get there as long as we all get there, okay? So there's different ways to add, there's different ways to break up numbers, and there's different ways to think about them. Make sure that you are keeping your brain sharp by thinking about all the different ways to add. I will see you guys next time that we do a number talk.